Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do reverse videos on TikTok and how to make your videos that you've already recorded play in reverse. Really easy to do. So first things first, open up TikTok, and then you guys just want to click on the plus button at the bottom to start a new video, and click on your video that you already made. So upload, and just click on a video that you want to use. So just click on select, back out of this, click on next, and then next again. And then just going to bring you to this page right here. You guys want to click on effects. And at the very, very bottom, you see a list like visual effects, transition, split. You guys just want to find time. Click on time and then click on reverse. And it's actually going to play your video in complete reverse here. If you're done with that, you just want to do reverse, you can click on save and then next. And now your video has been reversed and you can now post it in reverse. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching.